Hi everyone! Subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell to never miss a video from the Chelsea Flower Show 2024. The best information and stunning visuals will be available on our channel. Follow and support us. The garden is created for an imaginary client whose Italian heritage is reflected in a balcony which is a nostalgic homage to Venice and overlooks their own main garden and farther canal views. At a glance, and you will ask yourself, who is this garden for? Where is the garden set? Who or what is the design inspiration? The idea of the balcony is to enhance your surroundings from within, while spilling out for others to also enjoy, thus decorating towns and cities for all. The scheme encourages the vibrant use of plants to create an intimate space. The plants highlight how a balcony can have a unique microclimate, and so more unusual plants may thrive where they may not in an exposed garden setting. The use of overhanging plants and pergola makes full use of the space, creating an enveloped outdoor room where lighting, water, and plants capture the imagination. The pergola frames views out as well as painting a picture for passers-by,